Have you ever wondered why some gardens thrive with almost no effort, while yours might be struggling, even though you're doing everything right? The answer could be right under your feet. Your soil is trying to tell you something, and the easiest way to start understanding it, just look at its color. Let's begin with the gold standard, rich, dark brown, or nearly black soil. That deep, earthy tone means it's packed with organic matter. It's alive, full of microbes feeding your plants. If your soil looks like this, you're already halfway to success. Just keep adding compost, and it'll keep giving back. Now, reddish soil. It's beautiful, but what's it saying? That red tone usually means high iron. Good, but it also means fast drainage and often low nitrogen. If your plants grow slowly or have pale green leaves, that's your clue. Add compost, green waste, or aged manure, and you'll see a big difference. Then there's yellowish soil. This is a warning sign. It usually means poor drainage. The iron reacts differently when the soil stays wet, giving it that yellow tone. Roots can suffocate. What to do? Loosen it, raise the bed, add compost. Let the soil breathe again. Gray or bluish soil? That's serious. It usually means it's compacted, airless, lifeless. Roots rot instead of grow. But it's not a lost cause. Aerate it. Add compost, maybe some coarse sand or biochar. Give it time, and the color and life will return. What if your soil is pale, light brown, or sandy beige? That's a sign of low fertility. Water drains too quickly, and nutrients don't stick around. The fix: steady feeding. Compost, mulch, organic matter. With time, the color deepens and your garden responds. Sometimes you'll find ashy or charcoal-rich soil. If it's from burning, nutrients might be stripped. But if it's biochar, added on purpose and charged with compost or compost tea, it can actually improve water retention and nutrient availability. Here's a trick most gardeners skip. Dig down 8 inches and compare topsoil to subsoil. If the top is dark and lower layers are red or yellow, that's fine. But if the subsoil is gray or pale, that means your deeper layers are lifeless. You'll need to feed deeper, not just the surface. Most people chase fertilizers and water, but your soil's color is already telling the full story. Is it alive, drained, compacted, balanced? Learn this language, and you'll stop guessing. Now you may ask, what's the ideal soil, nutrient-wise? It's a deep chocolate brown. Soft, slightly crumbly, moist but not sticky. It has balanced nutrients, nitrogen for leaves, phosphorus for roots and flowers, potassium for fruit and disease resistance. Add in calcium, magnesium, sulfur, and trace minerals, and your plants get everything they need. But more than that, good soil is alive. Worms, fungi, bacteria, all working together. That's what gives it that dark color and earthy smell. It holds moisture without drowning roots. It breathes. It grows with you. And here's the best part. You don't buy this soil. You build it with compost, mulch, cover crops, and care. Your soil remembers what you give it and gives back even more. So next time you walk into your garden, grab a handful of soil and just look. That one moment can tell you more than any expensive test ever could. And if you want to learn how to read your soil's texture, how it feels, how it smells, and what it reveals, that's coming up next. Stick around. Your soil's still talking.